Check out this new 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 on the highway. This Avalanche boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.08 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3 LSP flex fuel, transmission, 6-speed automatic and the license plate bracket, front. Call 843-797-8000 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.